This is a 2020 Craftmade Fluid ceiling fan in Cyber Yellow. I got this new box from Quamell with a trade. I got this in a trade, which I traded a white Delta 2 for it, and he gave me this new box fluid. These fans are a nightmare to install.
It took Andrew about, I don't know, 10,000 plus years to put the blade, just to put the blades on alone.
The motor is pretty easy to install, but the blades are hard. Yeah. So, it's an interesting fan.
I have the remote. Let's start her up on speed number 1.
6-speed DC.
It's definitely a cool fan. Like, there's no denying that. It's cool, but it's just... Ugh, it's a pain in the butt to install. But it looks cool when it runs, so...
It's pretty high quality.
But... speed 2. But the install quality is not very good.
And the blades, you have to put them in, but they don't really line up, so it's really hard to install the blades.
Yeah. I'm gonna go up to speed 3.
Yeah.
And every time, as you guys probably have figured out by now, every time I click the button and it responds, and it beeps, basically telling you that it has, in fact, responded.
It's moving really good air. That's the Venus back there that no one wanted to put up again.
And apparently I just tried to shut it off, but it didn't take. I meant to turn it on for like a second as like a joke, but I guess not. Just for background noise purposes, here's speed number 4, aka, which for IntelliTouch fans, I say speed 4 is medium.
It's moving really good air.
It's even moving the blender fan around, that's cool.
Really cool finish.
Yep, they don't make the yellow one anymore, but they make red, gray, white. Speed 5.
I didn't tighten it all the way because the mounting bracket doesn't really fit my setup, so it wobbles a bit.
And this fan isn't very fast.
What are you doing?
I clicked speed 6 times for speed number 6.
As you can see, it wobbles a lot.
I have a thing of clicking a button a lot of times just to make sure it takes.
It takes because it made a sound.
I just want to make sure.
And since it's DC, the spin down time is really short.
I still don't understand DC pull chain. I don't understand that concept very well. But who cares?
And reverse. It's getting confused.
Because I hit speed 1, then reverse. Because with DC motor fans, and I've seen this, like everybody does this, they turn the fan to the speed and then reverse it.
It's still getting confused. Speed 2.
Give you guys an exclusive camera shot. What it looks like right underneath it. That's crazy looking, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to speed 5. I'm going to put the camera back. And you can see the heat fan in the Montclair now, and there's a fly in here.
Oh.
There's a friggin' fly in here, that's annoying.
How is there a fly? It's winter. Oh, it's ladybug.
It looks like a fly from
Yeah.
over here. I literally say everything is a fly. Here's speed 6. Let me reverse it. And what DC Motors fans do is they come to a complete stop and then get confused, and then in Andrew's terms, they get confused, and then they go at the speed you left it.
It's getting confused right now.
DC Motor fans. And then immediately turn it off. So, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Craftmade Fluid and Andrew thinking that DC Motor fans get confused when it's just a part of what they do. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Stay safe out there.
Thank you for watching. Bye.